Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Honda Ridgeline maintenance light reset. We're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, maintenance due soon. And fun fact, this particular car or model, or maybe it's the new car nowadays, but there's two type of reset on the maintenance reset. You can reset it by using this screen and using these button over here, up, down, and reset, or you can reset here on this screen. And maybe it's because some of the cars is not equipped with this screen. That's the reason why there is two type of reset. But if you're gonna reset on this screen right here, go ahead and press home. It's home. You're gonna go setting. You're gonna go vehicle. Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay, you're gonna go vehicle. You're gonna go down to maintenance info. You're gonna hit reset, and you're gonna hit reset, and that 15% will turn into, that 15% will turn into 100%, and over here it also gonna turn to 100%. But if you're not equipped with this, then I'll show you the other way to do it, but you still gotta press home. Okay, now let's reset it here. Now use the up and down button to scroll to find oil life 50%. Now press the reset button and hold it and give it about 10 to 15 seconds. There you go. Now let go. Now scroll up to reset and hit select again. Sorry, do that again. Press reset. Oh, there you go. See, I guess this is my first time too. So that's how you reset the maintenance light, guys. You can do it here, or you can do it there. I guess this worked on the 2019, 2020 for most Honda. But for this one, that's how you do it. So guys, don't forget to click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.